Hey guys, this is Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro speaker. This video will be just pure discussion and tips on how we can take care of our iPhone speakers, and we're gonna tackle some ways to prevent it from damaging. If you're having trouble listening to both speakers on your iPhone, which is at the bottom area, you just simply go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio/Visual, and then adjust the sound from left to right with this balance thing. So L means left, right, R means right. So you just slide that and then balance the sound. So make sure you listen carefully so that your phone will be fixed. If there isn't any improvement on the sound and there are crackling effects on the speaker, you're gonna be needing a brush or anything that can help you from removing dust on your speaker. These are tendencies that your speaker are being blocked by dusts, which make them sound really low. The last tip I have for you is to make sure that you always have your iPhone case with your iPhone. It can help you prevent from damaging any inside or outsides of the iPhone, which can cause you to lose your volume quality. I hope these simple tips helped you with your iPhone speakers, and if they did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.